Hello everyone and welcome back. So in today's video I do have a box from last month left over. It's my wish casket, and this box is a UK box and it ships at the end of the month. So usually I get it like the last week of the month into the first week of the next month because of the shipping times. But I think it's like, if you live in the UK and you get this box, it's like $25 or $30. For me, it costs close to $48 because I have to ship it over here. So without further ado, I'm not going to make this a long video. I'm kind of in a rush. I got to go to work today. But I did want to do the unboxing. I had issues with my gaming video. It didn't record my audio. It's such a pain in the ass. Sometimes that happens for me, and because I'm in between, like, trying to get everything set up in a more professional kind of way, that sometimes my equipment does fail me. So we're just going to jump right into this box. This is for April 2020, and it is Intuition. And this little booklet tells me everything that comes in it. So without further ado, let's just jump into the box. The first item says Art of Divination, and it is like a little book, and it has like different things you can try. This is really nice to anyone who's never really done this kind of stuff, or the divination side of it. If you're more of a ritualist witch or Wicca, then this gives you a good insight into how to start doing that. The next item is the art for this month, and I like these. These are really nice to set up someplace. I wonder if I can get this up right behind my little, there we go. There we go. Okay, so this is the third eye bath shower ritual. Now this should have everything in it to do that ritual. I don't know how I feel about bath rituals, and I don't really do these very often at all. I'm more of a candle, incense, stones, meditation type of person. So it gives you a little how to perform the ritual, and it's really cute actually. It's got this on the back, and then it gave me a pouchette, jasmine flowers, lavender flowers. To be fair, this looks like a lavender seed that you buy at the store. I'm not saying anything. And then lavender bath salts. So I guess basically you put all these items into this and then drop this in your bathtub. Basically. You charge them and put them in the pouch, prepare your bath, and then drop the pouch in. Light a candle, all that fun stuff. So that's that one. And most of this is stuff that you can remake at home. So if you do use these rituals and they work for you. Oh my gosh, my eye's going to start watering. They work really well for you. You can actually get those items again and redo that. The next item I got in here is two teas. This is jasmine. It says Prophetic Dreams Jasmine Tea. And it's Fijian black tea and jasmine flowers. Brew with intent and drink mindfully. It's supposed to give you prophetic dreams, meditation, and love. So that's neat. The next item, oh, there's so many things in this box, is the lapel pen that you get, the little Dumaflachi pen, and it's kind of cute actually this month. It's very pretty. The next item, this is the item that they emailed me about. This came free this month for subscribers, and it's just a little wooden standy thing, and I don't know if I have enough room on any of these to stick it, but let's see if I can move my lotion and move this over. Maybe I can get it up here with it into this video. There we go. Okay. The next item. Yeah, they gave me an email about that. It said that it was coming for all the subscribers. This is a Amethyst Intuition Stone. I guess it's like done up like more of a rune style for you to hold and like meditate on, and it's got an eye on it to represent the third eye, so that's neat. Not as neat as some of the other stuff I've gotten this month, but it's cool. The next item, this box always has so many things, is the Intuition deck, I believe, with dice. So, these are the cards, and they're intuition cards, and then here's kind of what you sit at, and then they have this dice. I've never really been into these kinds of things, but ooh, this is really kind of cool. This has like an amethyst dice. Like, it's an amethyst carved dice. That's neat. So I guess you like roll the dice, sit where you can be undisturbed, and bring yourself to a peaceful and relaxed state. Roll the dice. This will tell you the area of your life you are reading for. Shuffle the cards while thinking about this aspect of your life. Only stop shuffling when your intuition says you've shuffled enough. Turn over the top card and use your intuition to interpret how this meaning can be used to improve this area of your life. That could be fun. So, that's neat. I've not really ever had anything like that, but that's really neat. I did like the Amethyst stone. The Amethyst dice. The next item is like magical key. Oh, it's got a tassel on it. I like the little... That is cute. So that is... I don't know what you would really use it for, but I mean, you can use it a lot with your meditations. This is the scroll you get. You get a scroll every month. Let's see if I can get the little sticker. That's the biggest thing, is to get the sticker off without ripping up your scroll. And this one did not come up very nicely, but we got it. So this one is, let me get this centered, is kind of like a guide to your third eye, and so you can pause it here and like read over this. So that's neat. The next item. Okay, I'm stupid. What is this? A wick trimmer. So these are really heavy. I've never trimmed my wicks, nor have I needed to. Maybe I do need it. This encourages a steady flame and a smoke-free burn. Keep your wicks trimmed to 3 to 6 millimeters. I have never really trimmed wicks, but I can see how this could be very needed, I guess. But yeah. And the last item that I got in here, what was, I don't know. Ooh, a candle. Oh, a nice candle. So it's in this really nice glass designed thing, and it is just a regular, probably soy candle, I would imagine. Prophetic Dreams Jasmine Tea. Marble green soy wax altar candle. Yes. A pure, natural, high-quality soy candle. Make your magic more potent by anointing, dressing, and preparing with intent for your chosen ritual. So it's left plain. You can anoint it how you want. But it is really pretty. I do like the green marble color. That is a lot of items in this box, though I do get a lot of, I know that it has a lot of items in the box. So, like I said, that's the witch casket. Let me pile everything back in here the best I can. And I will try to hold it up so that you can get an overall look. Now, mind you, I do have the pentacle back here in the artwork, but this is everything that you get in your box. And as always, all links are in the description to all the boxes that I get. And I'll tell you, I'm having some troubles with some recordings right now, but I'm still going to be recording stuff. I've got boxes coming today. I think starts some of them for this month. So those boxes will be up, and I'm going to work on doing my gaming videos, although right now I'm really into my Stardew Valley, so it's kind of why I haven't done very many videos. I want to do a Sims Let's Play. Let's face it, Sims 4 bores me. A little Sim talk right thrown in here. But Sims 4 bores me, and I have been a Simmer since day one of the first one. So, like, I bought it, and me and my ex-husband and my best friend, we played it day in and day out. Like, oh my goodness. We fought over computer time. And I was the only one with a computer, so we were all at my house. And my other best friend came, and my best friend and my ex-husband and me, we all played The Sims 1, and then I got divorced and didn't have a computer. So I went over to my best friend's house, and I played while he napped on the couch or slept until like 3 or 4 in the morning sometimes. I was really into Sims 1. And Sims 2 came out, and I really didn't have a computer, so I bought them, but I never really played Sims 2. And there were some aspects of Sims 2 I didn't like. Like, to be a witch, you had to hunt down a witch, like Glinda the Good Witch, or whatever the bad witch was, and befriend them, and then ask them to be a witch. And I just liked creating witches and playing with them. So, Sims 3 comes out, and I absolutely loved it. Played it all the time until Island Paraiso came out and destroyed the ability to play, because, like, that game was before its time. In fact, most computers now are just now getting to a point that can run The Sims 3. So that should tell you something. Sims 4 comes out, and I mean, I play it, I create Sims all the time, I have tons up on the gallery, but I just, So, I don't know. Maybe I'll take this Sim rant out and just make it its own video, I don't know, but I'm just feeling like it needs a little bit more love and attention. Meanwhile, I've been playing Stardew Valley, and me and my husband are working on our farm, and I'm working on the side. I need to finish the community center. He wants to go to Ginger Island, but so do I. So I'm not recording those because I've already played them. I thought about doing like a speed run of this Stardew Valley if there was such a thing, which there really isn't. But I don't know what it would look like at the moment. Anyway, I'm heading off of here. So that is this month's Witch Casket. Like I said, that box cost me like about 48 bucks to ship to the United States, but overall it is a $30 a month subscription box, and I feel like you do get $30. I mean, I got a candle, I got the some herbs to do a ritual with, I got some tea, I got some cards to try, I got a stone, I got a key. That was free for April. And so overall, I like the box. So with that, I'm heading out. I heart your face. I will see you in the next video. Make sure you check and like and do all that fun YouTube stuff. And sorry for the delay of videos. I heart your face, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.